Trish, so what's our tip for resilience for the day?
Hey Donna, another tip is gratitude.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to be grateful in the midst of uncertainty and just a change in your everyday routine, isn't it?
Look, it really is. You know, people think, oh, gratitude, oh, it's just something, oh yeah, just, no. It is powerful because when you are thankful, you know, my grandmother used to say, count your blessings. And when you wake up in the morning and you turn on the news and all you hear is all the bad stuff, it conditions you. If you can wake up in the morning and say, wow, I'm alive, I'm well, or I'm not well, but I'm getting better. Whatever it is, if you can list everything you are grateful for in your life, it sets up your brain. If you can list everything you're grateful in your, the people that you live with, whether it's your partner, your flatmate, your children, that will set you up to treat them well and them to treat you better. Grateful for all of your assets. Are you going to starve? No? Well, that's something to be grateful for. And you keep building up from there. Before you know it, you can conquer the world.
Absolutely. Great advice and insights. Gratitude. Thanks so much for that, Trish. Have a great day.